We got a lot of snow last night, and I'm going up to Canada today, tonight, overnight, to see my friends and drink some beers with them. So I gotta make sure that my enhanced ID is in the car because I can't find my passport. I've been moving and there's just a lot of stuff to do here. So I'll try to get this thing. There we go. Without the snow falling in. That's the hard part. Here we go. All right. Whew. So let's see here. Yeah, it's so dark in here. Oh, good. Oh, I have my hands ID. Those of us that live on the border, it's just way easier to use an enhanced ID than have to carry a passport with you. So let's clear this off. I am going to move my I got a little snow in there. My divider thing to the back of the car. I keep it out during the week because the dog is back here. Oh, she's frozen. There we go. Holy moly, that's heavy. A lot of snow. Yeah, he I have to put these down too. He just has a blast back here. But actually, I should take all this stuff out. I'm gonna clean this real quick and then I'll get back to you guys. I just did a quick cleaning of the interior here, so all shiny. It's not perfect, but it needs to be cleaned. Wintertime is rough. WeatherTech mats, I won't even clean those till springtime because they get dirty immediately after cleaning. But yeah, she looks good. Looks very, very, very good. Well, let's go get dressed and get ready to head out. I was wondering how I clean the snow off my car. I used my my Snow Joe. I just push. I don't get all of it off because I don't want to actually scratch the paint, but I get enough where it's not dangerous to other drivers. And most of this will slowly fly off in tiny particles throughout the day, but the big stuff I use the pusher for. But you'll notice I don't get down all the way to the paint because I don't want to scratch the car up. Okay, I cleaned out the best you can be without doing much damage, but it's enough to get out of here and get started on our day. Let's go. We have the minivan crowd. And the wagon crowd. Our STI. Our Jetta wagon. Golf R. And then two Imprezas side by side. Beautiful day up here in Vermont though. Good morning from Canada. It's very tundra-like here, and it is -5, or 5 below zero. December 31st, we are leaving Manceau, Canada, and heading down to get some shopping done before I go back to the U.S. and try to beat the snow that's coming today. There's some kind of winter festival going on. And the music is hilarious. There's also a fun slide and a Ferris wheel, but it's really cold out. See the fun slide? I don't speak French. But who has fun slides and Ferris wheels this time of year? Look at this. It's like 40 degrees below zero out here. Nice sculptures. Hey guys, just hooked some up right to the car. Ah shit, not a diesel. Oh man, I got hooks.
directly faced with a hungry child, crying out for help, we would do whatever it takes to help that child. We would, because it's what our hearts tell us to do. And we would because we know it just isn't right for anyone to suffer like this.
Oh my goodness. Good. I was in a sound sleep.
No, we weren't. I debated whether.
No, I'm glad you did. That was worth getting up for. 2017. Crazy.